Hi friends, today I have brought an excellent and a best trick for you. Today I am going to teach you the preposition of time in a very tricky concept in the help of a clock and a calendar. If you watch the complete video, you will remember this concept forever in your life, and I guarantee it. So come, let's start the video. So, when we say about time, we measure the time in two ways. One is by clock and other is calendar. So when we measure the time in a clock, we measure it by three ways. One is hours, other is minutes, and the third one is seconds. Hours, minutes, seconds. So when you have to show the time of a clock, you will always use the preposition at. The preposition at you will use in this situation. For example, I'm giving you an example. For example, I go to school this 7 a.m. I'm giving you an example. I go to school this 7 a.m. If you notice the 7 a.m., this 7 a.m. refers to the timing that you can measure in the clock. You cannot measure the 7 a.m. in calendar. You have to always measure the 7 a.m. in clock. So you will always use the preposition at. At, as you can measure the timing in a clock. So use the preposition at. I'm giving you another example. I will meet you this 9 p.m. This 9 p.m. refers to the timing that you can measure in the clock. So any timing that you can measure or you can see in the clock, you will always use the preposition at. Always remember, you will use the preposition at. Don't waste your time. Don't think too much, as you know that you have limited time in your examination. Just put the preposition at. Okay? In the case of a calendar, we can measure the time in a calendar by four ways. That is years, months, days, and the last one is dates. Years, months, days, dates. In the case of years and months, you will always use the preposition in. And in the case of days and dates, you will always use the preposition on. Years and months are longer time period, and days and dates are shorter time period. In the case of longer time period, we are using in, and in the case of shorter time period, we are using on. For example, I'm giving you an example. He was born this January or 1947. He was born this January 1947. You will notice that the January is a month and 1947 is a year. So you have already learned that in the case of years and month, you will always use the preposition in. So don't waste your time, just put the preposition in. So he was born in January or he was born in 1947. So come similarly, you will meet me this Saturday or 170520. You will notice that the Saturday is a day and 1705 2020 is add date. So you have already learnt that in the case of days and date, we will always use the preposition on. So put the preposition on and your answer is completed. You will meet me this Saturday, or you will meet me this 17/05/2020. We will always use the preposition on. I hope you learned my concept and you liked my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.